Hi, WTOP. You actually did it right this time, I think.
We interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system for the Washington, D.C. metropolitan operational area because of a local weather emergency. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia, has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Prince George's County in central Maryland and northwestern Charles County in southern Maryland. At 9:40 this morning, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the area. Up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen. Rain of 1 to 2 inches is expected in the next hour. Some locations include Clinton, Fort Washington, Fort Belvoir, Accokeek, and Brandywine.